All right, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make some beef back ribs. Got these at Tom Thumb. Figured we'd try them out. They weren't bad. They were $8 some cents. I do it kind of simple. Just gonna throw a basic rub on it. There's my trimming, if you want to call it that. Alright, so first we're going to start with a rub. Basic SPG in here. And we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle it on. I know it's the back of the rib, but you know, we still do it anyway. So
in the back.
Alright, it's just a very light amount. In fact, we're not going to go real heavy on these overall. Oh, and as far as the aluminum foil, this just makes it for a little bit easier to clean up. That's all. Go ahead and sprinkle on here. Shakers are great as long as the lid stays open. And get a nice even coat going. Alright. Now, we've already gone ahead and we're going to actually do these on the grill. It does smoke as well. So, we're going to cook these between 275 and 300. We're going to cook them for about an hour first, just to kind of create a bark. Then we're going to pull them, wrap them, put them back on for up to an hour, and we'll see how they are. I'm actually going to let this set for about 10-15 minutes. Let this go ahead and you know, get melded into the ribs themselves, into the meat and stuff like that. Alright, we'll see you back here in about 20 minutes after we've had the smoker grill ready to go. So we're ready to go ahead and put these ribs on. Put that on right there. There you go. Alright, we'll check on these in about an hour. We've already come out here, forgot to hit record, but this is where the ribs are at right now. It's actually been 50 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap these up and then put the lid back down, and we'll check back in about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and open up the vents just a little bit because the temp dropped down a little bit. All right, we're going to go ahead and check, see where we're at. I think we're good. Oh yeah, we're good. We're gonna go ahead and put these over to our cutting board. Okay. We'll go ahead and slice it up. You can see all the pull back here, which means, yeah, they're done. So, this one, bone's basically right at the edge. And I could probably pull them right out, but these are ribs. So, we'll go ahead and slice, see how it looks. There's a bone there. Forgot these do have a weird bone in the front.
Looks so good.
Yeah, it's just getting around that bone. And this one, in all honesty, I'm just gonna pull. This is just a sliver of bone, so we ain't gonna worry about that. All right. Okay. And there you have it, beef back ribs. It's not like the big dinosaur ones we cook, but there's a lot more meat on those. But these are still good, and they're gonna be tender. So that's it. All right, Austin's gonna go ahead and pick which one he wants. All right.
Hot.
It's still hot, isn't it?
Yep. Still hot.
You want to try and take a bite, or you want to wait? Two hands. Hold the other side of the bone. Now take a bite. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it compared to the 3-bone ribs, the giant ribs that we get from that are beef?
I think they're half the same. I think this is just as good.
Okay. And there you have it. Beef back ribs. Real fast. If this were a whole rack, it would probably have taken maybe another 30-40 minutes total cooking. The first time we actually didn't stay for an hour. It was 50 minutes, and then the second time I pulled it at like 40 minutes. So there you go.